So you're a builder, right? I'm a realtor. But there's more to life, right? There's more to life than just building homes or selling homes, right? So I know that you guys have done something that, quite honestly, I'm impressed by, and my wife and I are trying to follow suit on. So why don't you talk to us a little bit about your foundation?
Sure. About a year and a half ago, my wife went on a trip with our church to the Dominican Republic. And on that trip, basically her heart was broken just by the levels of poverty and the way that she saw people living. And came back with this idea saying, hey, we need to do something. What can we do? Well, the only thing I had to do was build houses. So we came up with the idea of let's figure out a way to build houses. So we started the Paradigm Foundation last year, a partnering country that we work with. And we've come alongside them and basically in the efforts to build houses for the ultra poor. And so what we've done through Paradigm is that some of the profits that we take 10% of our net profits, and we use that to fund houses for the ultra poor. You can check out more on our website, theparadigmfoundation.org. There's some videos, and just really see how you can get involved, come alongside us, maybe come on a trip, and even support some of the things that we're doing. I mean, for us, we love building houses. We love helping people move into their dream and kind of accomplish those things through their pop-top or build new. But really, this is the true essence of who we are in Paradigm. You can kind of see that we're not just about taking advantage of ourselves. We're really about giving back. We're really about helping other people. We're really about giving back. Which is very important to us.
Well, you've used the word lifestyle a lot of time. I mean, you're improving their lifestyle, their life, right? A lot of these people live in just tin little shacks, and when you guys, I know this, that normally when you award a house to somebody, right, because they have to apply for it, it is the poorest of the poor in that community, and you're really just helping improve lives at a level that you could never do here, right, in Northern Virginia, when we're so blessed in this area.
Right. I mean, the average person, when we say ultra poor, lives on less than $1.25 a day. I mean, that's the poorest of the poor.
Yeah.
And for us to kind of come alongside, the people in the Dominican Republic right now. I mean, eventually, Lord willing, this will grow. We'll take it further to other parts of the Caribbean, or look to do other parts maybe here stateside. But for right now, this is where we've focused our time. But for us, like I said, giving back, helping other people enhance their lifestyle, and having clients come alongside of us by choosing to work with us. Right, they're also a part of the Paradigm Foundation because they've chosen to work with Paradigm. In a sense, they're giving back, which is a unique way to feel special about your home that you're building here in Northern Virginia. You're also helping us build houses for the ultra poor in the Dominican Republic.
Awesome.
So.